Yes guys, how are you? And in this video we are again going to scalp the market, and we will see this is the 1 minute gold chart, and I will find some scalping opportunity so that I can trade in front of you and we can understand that how this indicator behaves that you can see on the screen right now. Okay guys, there is an addition to the indicator. We have also the arrow indicator that we are still testing it, and we want to make sure that it works properly. So I am also getting some issues with it as well, so I will discuss everything into the next videos as well. Okay guys, it looks like that the market starts to still it's pumping up, so I will wait for the market to go near to the yellow level, or maybe I will wait for the market to give another signal from the arrow indicator. So everything will be in front of you. This is the live market that is represented on gold right now. Okay, so I will wait for some signal so that I can trigger it. Okay, so right now it's just below the overbought levels of the trading market, because the 1 minute charts 1 minute chart, this is the top yellow line, and the yellow line represents the over bought levels of the trading market. So we will have to see that from where the market stands to go into the downward direction. So I will be trading the market with the flow, that how it continues. So if we go to the 15-minute chart, then guys, if you look at the trend here, we have the downward trend on gold right now. And even if you judge this thing from the 1 minute chart, then you will come to know that if we prepare the trend line like this, then you can see we are overall into the downward trend. Okay, so that's why I will be more interested in selling this pair. Okay guys, so it looks like it's losing the momentum, so let's take the sell position in that scenario. So right now you can see we are 27 minus. Okay, so guys, look at this one thing, that here the market starts to make the downward flow below the yellow line, and again it decided to go from the same level. So this point is working as a resistance, because you can see the two candles went bearish after this height, because the same height the market was rejected from the previous levels into the past. And if we go here, then we can see the market was rejected from the top yellow line. So overall, that's why I took a bit early sell position on gold, because it was looking perfect to me. Okay, so guys, this is the one indicator that I have seen right now, that is the below the yellow line the market was losing the pattern, and you can see we are getting 18 17 positive on the trade. But now I want to see that if any other signal comes from the other sporting indicator that we can see on the screen, that gives the signal in the form of arrows. So I will have to look for it as well. So I'm just looking at the signal, that if any signal comes from the arrow, so I will be testing this trade in front of you. So guys, let's test this trade together, because this will be the answer to our questions as well. And I have tested this arrow indicator in the previous live streaming, but right now I want to test it again, and I thought that I should share it with my subscribers by making a live trading call. So that's why I have taken a sell position on gold, so that I can see the market, what's going on, that how it behaves right now. Okay, you can see we have received a sell signal from the arrow. You can see guys on the screen, the sell signal is appeared from the arrow. It's a sell signal on the 1 minute gold chart, and guys, you can see this is the live trading market. It means that now we are expecting the market to drop from that level. So guys, we will wait for the drop, and we will see that either this signal that we have received from the arrow indicator, is that correct or not. Okay, so sometimes it loses its signals as well when we switch our chart. So guys, make sure that those who are using this arrow indicator, so once they are on to particular chart, they should not switch their charts to the different time frames, otherwise the signal sometimes get lost. So this is the only problem with the arrow indicator. Otherwise it's giving me very good results, and I have also tested it on the higher time frames. The higher the time frame, the more you can get from the indicator. Okay guys, we are getting $82 from that trade. Still we are going to test it more, because the arrow indicator indicated us with the sell position into the previous candle. Okay, so one candle went bearish as per the arrow indicator, that was pretty fine. So it means that if it has given the signal into the sell, so it means that at least it should be expecting at least 2 to 3 bearish candles. So that's why I'm more focused on it. So we will test this arrow indicator more. And guys, this is 95 and 96. And guys, let me tell you one thing. I'm providing this complete trading setup, like with the yellow boundary lines and with the arrow indicator. I'm providing this complete setup to my subscribers. And if you want to get this setup, you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com, or you can contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this video below. So guys, this is the live demonstration by which you can see that this is not a pre-recorded lesson. So you can see with the live market, the market is moving and we are also getting a profit here. And you can see we have received the sell signal, the market behaving perfectly well, and we are getting $154 from that trade. 157. I'm going to delete that trend line. 175, and I think we should guys exit because 1 2 3 candles we are into the our way. So 178 and 183.90 and above 200. What do you think? Okay, above 200 we will close, and that's we are done. Okay, so guys, how simple it was to trade with the arrow indicator. I have just understand the pattern. I'm just going to zoom out my chart, and you can see just below the yellow line the market was losing its momentum, and then the second confirmation came to me from the arrow indicator, and then I took my trade, and you can see I just profited from that trade. And this must be added to my balance here. You can see 202 is added, and this is the profit that we have made on this account till now. So overall guys, exceptionally well indicators. All you need to use them with proper care, as I have explained in my lessons right now, and I am explaining here. So everything should be fine. Still you can see the market is dropping well, and so make sure that one thing, that you should not switch your charts. So for example, I am switching here from 5 minute coming back to 1 minute, and sometimes it happens that it loses the arrow. So that's why I am telling you that once you have the sell signal or buy signal from the indicator, then you need to use it wisely, and better if you use these signals by following the trend. The trends are very important. Like I have predicted the trend that the market is going into the downward direction, then I have taken a trade. Otherwise I have not taken a buy trade on gold. Hopefully this concept must be clear to you. So this is one more video that is going to be added into the live scalping and the series, and that because you know that we have started the live scalping series. So guys, make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel, and those subscribers who are willing to get these indicators, who are willing to subscribe to my signals, and those who are willing to book their coaching sessions with me, they need to contact me immediately on info@200forexpips.com, or you can also contact me on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given in the description of this video below. So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.